Of teaching and learning, memory levels of teaching. Memory means storing the information in the brain and presenting the information in a systematic manner. Whatever knowledge is imparted to children in the form of facts, informations, rules, they remember it by rote memory. This is the reason why a major part of the knowledge received at memory level. So these levels of teaching involves 5 steps, and these steps are designed to help the students to develop their memory, observation, and reasoning. So number 1 is preparations. In these steps, this is to bring into consciousness relevant ideas of the subject matter. Second is presentations. The new ideas or knowledge of content is imparted in such a way that it may be linked with the previous knowledge of the learner. In the third step, teacher attempts to compare between new systems, facts and ideas to identify similarities among new facts. And fourth, teacher generates the situation so that the students are able to point out similarities of elements of new ideas. And in the fifth, that is the applications, teacher creates situations so that the student may memorize facts for the further. Now, in understanding levels of teaching, it is that teaching which seeks to acquaint students with the relationship between generalization and the particulars. And these levels of teaching involves 5 steps. One is explorations, to decide how a new unit is to be presented, and the second is presentations, and the third one is assimilations, and the purpose of this assimilation is the roughness of subjective. And in the fourth step, that is organizations, it is to determine whether the student can reproduce the essential of the units in writing without any help. And in the fifth, that is recitations, student present orally understanding taught in the unit before the teacher and the classmate. And the third levels of teaching is reflective levels of teaching. This is the highest level of learning sets in when the knowledge of facts and principles acquired through memory and understanding leads to critical thinking. It is that level of teaching which is problem-centered in nature, in which the learner is engaged in original